What if I told you that the next big growth lever for your tech company isn't a flashy new product or a viral marketing campaign? It's something much simpler, yet incredibly powerful. It's your sales strategy. I'm Michael Williamson, CEO of TechGrowth Insights, and I've seen firsthand how the right sales approach can make or break a business. And if you're a tech or telecom leader, you know that selling complex high-value solutions is no easy feat. You're dealing with long sales cycles, multiple decision makers, and also intense competition. But what if you could cut through the noise and close more deals faster? That's where proven tech sales strategies come in. And the challenge is that many tech companies are still using outdated one-size-fits-all sales methods. They're relying on cold calls, generic demos, and pushy tactics that turn off modern buyers. Meanwhile, their more innovative competitors are using data-driven, customer-centric approaches to run circles around them. And the stakes couldn't be higher. In today's market, you either adapt your sales strategy or you just simply get left behind. So what separates the top performing tech sales teams from the rest? Well, it's having worked with some of the world's leading companies, I've identified three key strategies. And the first is they prioritize account-based selling. Instead of casting a wide net, with blanket messaging, they zero in on their ideal customers and tailor their approach to each one. They do deep research, identify key stakeholders, and create personalized value propositions that really resonate. Second, they embrace sales technology, from CRM and marketing automation to AI-powered analytics. They use tools to gain insights, automate tasks, and free up their reps to focus on high-value activities. But they don't just throw tech at the problem. They have a clear strategy for how it fits into their sales process. And finally, they foster a culture of continuous learning and improvement. They don't just train their reps once and call it a day. They invest in ongoing coaching, role-playing, and skills development. They also encourage experimentation, celebrate failures as learning opportunities, and constantly iterate back based on data and feedback. And I remember the time I helped a struggling software startup to overhaul their sales strategy. They were burning through cash, churning customers, and facing a make or break moment. We started by helping them identify their ideal customer profile and also mapping out key decision makers at each target account. Then we implemented a multi-channel personalized outreach strategy that combined email, social, and direct mail. We also revamped their demo process to focus on the customer's unique challenges and tailored their value proposition accordingly. Finally, we set up a sales coaching program and implemented a CRM to track progress and identify areas for improvements. And the results were staggering. Within 6 months, they had doubled their pipeline, cut their sales cycle in half, and landed several marquee enterprise customers. And it was a powerful reminder that sometimes the biggest growth opportunities are hiding in plain sight. You just need the right strategy to unlock them. So what's the big takeaway? Well, if you want to drive serious growth, you need to get serious about your sales strategy. Start by adopting an account-based approach, leveraging sales tech to gain an edge, and investing in your people through continuous training and development. And when you align your sales strategy with your growth objectives, I believe you'll be unstoppable. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you face in maximizing sales growth? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's tackle it together. And if you're ready to take your sales strategy to the next level, just click on the link to see if you qualify for a free growth opportunity assessment. We'll dive deep into your sales process and show you exactly how to optimize it for maximum impact. So also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on tech sales and growth. I'm Michael Williamson, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and God bless. Bye-bye.